Discover the amazing potential of ChatGPT, the future of communication and collaboration that promises to revolutionize the way we interact with each other and our environment. Welcome to the future of communication and collaboration. ChatGPT is pushing the boundaries of technology and allowing us to explore the metaverse like never before. With AI-based capabilities, it promises a more natural conversation experience and unprecedented control over virtual worlds. From game development to education and e-commerce, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with each other and our environment. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to address any potential security and privacy issues in order to truly maximize the potential of this technology. Join us as we take a deep dive into the exciting world of ChatGPT and discover a new way of communicating for the digital age. Subscribe to MetaGen and stay tuned for more exciting content about ChatGPT and the metaverse. Unlock the potential of communication and collaboration today. The metaverse has the potential to completely change how we interact with each other in our environment. It provides a platform for people to communicate, collaborate, learn, shop, and play in real-time 3D environments. This means that virtual reality can replace traditional consumers and classrooms, and we may not even be able to physically be present at work thanks to remote avatar technology. As the companies invest in research on AI conversational flow technologies like ChatGPT, which can actively listen and respond intelligently based on user preferences, the future of this innovative concept looks very promising. This raises an interesting question. How will artificial intelligence shape the way that humans interact with the metaverse? ChatGPT could be a game changer for the metaverse, allowing users to communicate and interact in more natural ways. The AI-based capabilities make it an invaluable asset when used alongside traditional conversational systems like instant messaging bots or chat experiences that rely on pre-programmed responses. By learning from previous conversations with every user, ChatGPT can become increasingly accurate over time, making communication easier and more like real-life conversations than ever before. Being able to speak an entire conversation instead of typing commands gives us greater control over our virtual environment, which is why this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way people work together within virtual worlds. The question is, how do these advancements contribute to digital transformation strategies? ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize game development in the metaverse. It can give players a more personal and immersive experience by responding intelligently to their interactions. Game designers can also use it to create powerful scripts that generate NPCs with detailed personalities, making characters more dynamic than ever before. All these features show how this advanced technology can shape the future of gaming and VR environments, making virtual reality experiences much more engaging and realistic. This brings up an interesting question. How does conversational AI further progress game development in the metaverse? We want to hear your thoughts on this. Leave a comment below with your answer to the question. ChatGPT is revolutionizing game design and how players interact in virtual worlds. NPCs or non-player characters now feel more like living characters thanks to AI-based responses that it could generate with detailed personalities. Even beyond virtual reality, ChatGPT can be used to create educational experiences that better simulate real-world scenarios, making learning a dynamic process instead of just memorizing information from textbooks or lectures on screen. This opens them up to vast possibilities from educators who want to bring their life lessons into VR spaces, allowing them to customize content according to different user profiles and engage students in activities without requiring any physical presence whatsoever. But what kind of impact will this have on education itself? How does using conversational AI technology within metaverses further shape our approach towards teaching today's youth? ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way that people interact in virtual worlds. With AI-based capabilities, it provides personalized support to learners by aggregating data from previous conversations and responding intelligently using natural language processing or NLP technology. This makes real-time interactions with students easier than ever before. Plus, ChatGPT is an all-inclusive platform, so users don't even need to be physically present for exchange messages or engage with their classmates, meaning anyone all over the world has access to innovative learning experiences, no matter where they are located. Finally, this technology helps bring remote communities together across various platforms like 3D immersive environments like AltSpace VR or Mixmera's social VR network Rift Studios. This lets them connect with a shared experience on both desktop devices and headsets with ease. As instant messaging becomes more prevalent alongside these emerging mediums, how will conversational AIs evolve over time? What implications will there be when adopting these technologies in our daily lives and further interconnecting us beyond physical borders? ChatGPT is not only a great way to connect with people, it also gives you more opportunities to buy and sell items, digital goods, and services. ChatGPT's AI-based capabilities makes it easier to shop smarter by giving you personalized recommendations based on what you're looking for. This can lead to more vendors entering the metaverse since e-commerce transactions became simpler than ever before. Plus, natural language processing allows people from different cultures to communicate easily when buying products online. This amazing technology has lots of potential uses in virtual environments. One big question is, how will widespread adoption change how we access marketplaces that exist beyond our physical presence? What do you think? How will widespread adoption of ChatGPT change how we access marketplaces that exist beyond our physical presence? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Are there any security concerns with ChatGPT? Deploying ChatGPT in the metaverse may raise security concerns due to sensitive natures of user data and potential for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities in the system. One such concern is the possibility for data breaches, where sensitive user information like login credentials, personal details, and transaction history could be compromised. Another issue is the potential for ChatGPT to be manipulated by malicious actors to spread misinformation or engage in fraudulent activities. Additionally, there's a risk of socially engineering attacks, where hackers could use ChatGPT to gain access to sensitive information or trick users into performing malicious actions. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to implement robust security protocols like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. It's also important to train users on the best security practices and educate them on potential threats. Ultimately, while ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the metaverse, it's essential to ensure that proper security measures are in place in order to protect user privacy and prevent malicious actors from exploiting vulnerabilities in the system. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the metaverse marketplace. It's a virtual assistant that helps users buy and sell quickly and efficiently. Thanks to its AI-based capabilities, it gives personalized recommendations based on user preferences and aggregate data from previous conversations to help make informed decisions when shopping online in the virtual world. It also provides accurate information about fees and exchange rates for different currency, making payments easier than ever. This has huge implications for people learning how to do business in this new era. It's also at the forefront of technological development like remote working and augmented reality entertaining experiences that rely on wallet interoperability between players from all over the world. As more companies invest in conversational AIs like chatbots, we can expect even more advancements, leading us to an exciting future with even more access opportunities. But what kind of impact could these emerging technologies have further down the timeline? How will they change our interactions across multi-platforms down traditional settings? ChatGPT can be used to create amazing gaming experiences in the metaverse. For example, developers can use the AI-based capabilities to create NPC characters with unique personalities, making their game more realistic and engaging for players. It also helps educators and employers connect with students and employees from all over the world in virtual reality without even needing to be in the same place. This technology has a lot of potential to change how we interact in and out of traditional settings. But as more companies invest in conversational AI like ChatGPT, are there any security or privacy concerns? What kind of measures should we be taking when we're learning to use these advanced language models? ChatGPT has its limits when it comes to understanding and delivering conversations with virtual characters, which can lead to misunderstandings or confusion. Plus, since ChatGPT learns from user interaction patterns, it can introduce bias into AI models depending on who uses them. This can be especially tricky when using this technology for decision-making in areas like healthcare and government. These limitations show us there are still some obstacles to overcome before artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can be used reliably in the metaverse environment. So the question is, how do we make sure that these technologies bridge communication gaps accurately without introducing ethical violations? ChatGPT is revolutionizing the metaverse by allowing users to communicate and interact more naturally than ever before. AI-based capabilities make it an invaluable asset for gaming, education, and even e-commerce, giving users personalized recommendations and allowing them to buy and sell items, digital goods, and services. As more companies invest in conversational AIs, there are still security and privacy concerns that need to be addressed before this technology can be used reliably. This raises an interesting question: how will artificial intelligence shape the way humans interact with the metaverse? Have you ever wondered how AI could revolutionize the world of virtual reality? With the emergence of ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. From connecting people from all over the world with personalized experiences to revolutionizing game development, education, and e-commerce, the potential of AI and VR is unprecedented. But there are still many challenges that need to be addressed, like security and privacy, before it can be used reliably. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity and find out more about how AI can be used in the world of VR by watching the next video.